What's up, you guys? It's the weekend after the family road trip. Life's going great until you realize you have to wash the family car once again. It could be dreadful, it could be time consuming, but I'm gonna show you how to get it done within an hour. Stay tuned. So the goal and the objective for today is to get this thing dialed in within 60 minutes. The way I'm gonna achieve that is by starting with my interior first, moving on to my exterior later. The reason why is because my interior is gonna take more time to do. It has more intricate areas and more delicate surfaces that I need to focus on. I know that I'm gonna need to wipe it down real good, give it a good vacuum, and maybe scrub some areas that need it, if needed. Leave my exterior to the last because washing the car is like second nature to me. I could do that quickly with my eyes closed, hands behind my back if I have to. So let's dive in because I only have 30 to 40 minutes to get the interior done. Disgusting. We finished vacuuming the car. We got that out the way. I'm sweating, I'm dripping, but we gotta move on to wiping down surfaces. We're gonna be wiping down, I'm talking about everything we touched. Dashboards, cup holders, navigation screens, door panels, seats, armrest. Like I said, it was a long trip back home, so we gotta clean it up. We gotta make sure we're leaving this nice and clean. We're gonna be using our total interior wipe because this one bottle can handle any surface it touches. I'm talking about, like I said, navigation screens, door panels, cup holders, the list goes on. And I'm using my black cherry scented total interior. Why? Because it leaves a nice scent trail behind and because it matches the interior. Red, 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 red. I'm gonna be pairing this with my microfiber towel. It's so simple to use. All you wanna do is just make sure it's open, spray some onto your microfiber towel, and wipe off the surface. Once you're done wiping off your surface, flip it over to the dry side of your towel and buff it off. And just in a few wipes, look how much I picked up. Let's get to work. And for those of you that have that upper level trim, whether it's wood trim, forged carbon like this one, you could always ensure yourself that total interior is safe for that as well. Simply just spray on your microfiber towel once again and wipe off the surface. Don't worry, you guys, I know it looks scratched, but there is a film on it, so it's okay. So moving on to the back side where the party usually happens, I'm noticing a lot of sticky residue and it's green, it's nasty. I don't know what this is, but I know total interior might not cut it, so I'm gonna move on to my nonsense all-purpose cleaner paired with a light bristle brush. Now, simple, I'm just gonna spray, scrub, and wipe off. Hopefully that gets the job done. Keep in mind, you guys, these seats might not look dirty at all. They might look clean, but let's see. I can already tell these seats are extremely dirty by the way my towel tugs and pulls on the surface. And nevertheless, look how dirty these seats are. This is a brand new towel. I literally just took it out. As you can see, these seats are extremely dirty. But that's what I'm saying, you guys. Total interior is really great when it comes to any surface that I need clean, such as leather seats, vinyl door panels, dashboards, navigation screens, anything that really is all around my car. I know that I'm giving it a good clean look. For example, fresh new side, spray it on the surface, apply some on my towel, and just go to work. Honestly, the way this is tugging and pulling on my, look at that, you guys. These seats look good without me passing anything, but they're truly not clean. Just look at that, man. But yeah, total interior. Pick your guys', get a bottle, you guys. Keep one of these in your car because that's why. Don't even need to say anything else. That's it. Now that the interior is all said and done, it's out of my way, it's out of my head, it's time to move on to my favorite part of the detail, which is the exterior. There's bug guts everywhere, lingering dust all over every single crevice. The wheels and tires look disgusting, but we're gonna get this thing dialed in. We're gonna foam it up, spray some bug and tar remover to get that front end dialed in as well. So, let's wash it. Now moving on to the exterior of the wash, we're gonna keep it real simple. We're gonna use 3 ounces of our Mr. Pink in our big mouth foam cannon. But the real star of the show, our bug and tar remover. This is gonna be great because all those bug guts are embedded on the windshield, on the grill, on the front bumper, but we're gonna get rid of that with ease with our bug and tar remover. And it's so easy to use, you guys. All you gotta do is just get a secondary bottle. This is the best way and efficient way that I see it works. Get a secondary bottle, fill it up. We're gonna be using 4-to-1 ratio because we need something aggressive. So what does that mean? Locate the 4-to-1 mark on your secondary bottle, as you see right here. So this means for every part bug and tar, I'm doing 4 parts water, you guys. So once that's there, and all that's left now, once you got your solution, fill the rest of it with water.
Sorry.
Let's pretend you guys never seen that. Get yourself a beaker or a funnel, whatever makes your job a lot cleaner and easier. From there, fill it up. No mess, baby. So all you gotta do is just throw it on your nozzle, give it a nice shake, and you're good to go. The cool thing about our secondary bottles, you guys, you could always write down the product name and the dilution ratio. That way you don't forget it if it worked out for you. Nice. So now that you got your bug and tar remover, all you gotta do is just locate those bug guts and start going crazy. Such as my front of the hood, my front bumper, headlights especially, front grills, everywhere you see bug guts. Honestly, be generous with this stuff, spray it on there before you commence your wash. Honestly, this way it sits on there, it dwells, it lifts, and it moistifies the surface, bringing everything back to making everything easier to clean. So I noticed there's some on my windshield as well, and that's fine. Spray some on there as well. And keep this in mind too, you guys. This stuff isn't as harmful to your painted surfaces because why? We diluted this. This is why we're using a small amount, diluting the rest with water. This way we're not causing any harm when we let it sit and dwell onto the surface. Now all we gotta do left is just wash the car. Look, come close, you guys, come close, come close. As you can see, let's locate some bugs. So, there's a lot of bug guts here. There's a lot of bug guts over here. I'm gonna show you guys by just rinsing the car how much we're getting off now. like that, you guys. If you guys like these products, be sure to head on over to our website at 𝘃𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 Soccer practice over already? Don't you need like 30 more minutes? Okay, I'm on the way. Sorry, you guys, gotta go.
And they ain't on this level, bro, you really not close. Even in the summer, told them that it's so froze. Not talking about bass when I say I get low. I've been trying to get more, now I'm stacking my accounts. It's all going stupid, yeah, the numbers and the mouse. Heard them going quiet, so I turn it up loud. And they saying they ain't feel it, but they bout to feel it now. Need another check going extra. And I got a gas, no Tesla. Said I need a meal, no less, bruh. I ain't seen it yet, so I might go request ya. They been taking shots, need your best now. Seen them all talking what they chest.
Just like that, we got our cleaned up, ready for the next adventure. Kids, where do you want to go next?
I'll shut it down, I'll shut it down, yeah. I'll shut it down, I'll shut it down, yeah. I'll shut it down, I'll shut it down, yeah. I'll shut it down, I'll shut it down, look. I'll shut it down, I'll shut it down, yeah. I'll shut it down, I'll shut it down, yeah. I'll shut it down, I'll shut it down, yeah. I'll shut it down, I'll shut it down, look. I told him once.